Okay, I'm going to create a database here for your Opencart installation or other things too, but mainly for your Opencart is the reason I'm doing this, to show you. So what we want to do is we want to go here when we're in the Bluehost hosting. We want to go here to Advanced. And this is quite simple actually. I want to go to this MySQL database. Now, I want to create a database with its own unique name. This prefix here is my prefix for my account. Anything else I put in there is fine. I'm going to put demo 3 because I've not used that yet in my own. I'm going to create a database. Done quite quickly. Okay. Now what I want is, this is a fresh account. I've deleted all users out of here. So what I need to do is create a user. Okay. So what I'm going to do is create a user right here. Whoops, sorry. I'm going to create a username, and I'm going to have the username say, I'll just call it admin, although I wouldn't probably use that one. I'm going to give it 2 passwords, free 19, free 19. By 2 passwords I meant they're both the same. I'm using quite a weak thing there, do what you want, but I mean, I'm just showing you the example how to do it. So now, just remember that free 19. Okay, so we're going to create a user. And now we have a user. We need to add a user to the database we made. So we create a database, we create a user. Now we're going to assign that. And I can use this user for other projects I'm working on as well, just depending. So my user, I pick it out of the list. It's the only one there. And my database is the only one there. It would have been a list of databases, and I just picked that one. I'm going to add that to there. Now it's going to ask me to the privileges. Now what I am going to do at this point is I'm going to copy this into a notepad here just for a... I'm going to copy that into the notepad and save it because, and I want my password in there too, which was free 19. Okay, so what I want to do is assign all privileges to that user. Opencart needs it. Most applications need it unless they're specifically saying don't do it. But I'm running the website, so I'll just use that. Now we make the changes. Successfully created the database. Oh yeah, and then go back. We're done. And how we can tell if we have the database in. Go back to our advanced settings. You'll see on the advanced settings there's another one, PHP My Admin. Well, that's the administrator for the databases. Shows up on here, I do have a database right there. This one here. It has no tables in it, but that's what I need to install my Opencart installation, or several other things as well too, but that's what I'm going to be using that for. If you have any questions, you see my domain name there. Go ahead and log on or go on my website and have a look. I've got some stuff on there. If you got any questions, just well, I'm always willing to help somebody out if I'm not overly busy. Thanks a lot.